Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies. Today we're going to be covering some of the essentials to doing a proper brake job. This is going to be torque specifications on a 2010 to 2021 Ford F-150. While you're watching, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And if this video does help you out, comment below with what the year, make, model of the vehicle was, just so everybody knows, and lets me know too, which I really like to know that I am helping you guys out. Please hit that like button right now. Now, why is it important to have proper torque specifications? A few things. One, if the nuts and bolts are not tightened properly or tightened enough, obviously they could rattle loose, vibrate loose, and you could lose the caliper. You're going to get improper braking because the brakes are just going to come off. Two, if you over tighten them, you might break something, you might strip something out, break something as a bolt, and then you're just causing yourself way more problems. Torque specification is really important, and also lug nuts. It's really important to properly tighten down the lug nuts so that you have even pressure on the rotor, on the hub, so you don't get any like abnormal warpage or uneven wear on your pads or anything like that. So proper torque specifications are really important. Now let's get started really quick. For the knuckle to bracket or the bracket to knuckle bolt, you're going to be looking at 184 foot-pounds. That is pretty tight. You're probably going to need a 1/2 inch torque wrench to get that job done, or if you get a newer digital torque wrench, that will probably suffice for both or all of these torque specifications. If you need torque wrenches, make sure you look for links in the description below. And if you check out the video library, I have a ton of videos on vehicle maintenance and a ton of videos specifically on brakes and some family fun stuff. Before we get into the caliper to bracket, let me tell you where I get my torque specifications from. The Motor Guide Brake Specifications Guide, that's where I'm looking up these torque specifications. And also, in this book, it says, according to manufacturer recommendations, the bracket to knuckle bolt should be replaced at every brake job. I don't do that. I don't think I've done that in the past, but that's what the manufacturer recommends. So the bracket to knuckle bolt, replace it every time you do a brake job. Now the caliper to bracket bolt, you're looking at 27 foot-pounds. 27 foot-pounds really is not that much. These ones are easy to strip out or easy to break, so that's why it is important to properly torque these down. And also, if they're not tightened at the same tautness or the same tightness, however you say it, you could get uneven pad wear, which you get uneven application onto the rotor, which will make your brakes not last as long, and they could be potentially unsafe. Again, proper torque specs, very important. Now last, the lug nuts. 150 foot-pounds on this vehicle. Make sure you tighten them up in a star pattern and torque them down to 150 foot-pounds. That gets you even application on the hub, on the rotor. Again, avoid warpage, and just make sure you get the longest lasting brakes you could do. If this video did help you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Comment below, let me know the vehicle. And if you're working on a different vehicle and you think you want or if you need the proper torque specifications for that vehicle, shoot me a text or comment below and I will try to get back to you in a timely manner. Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies, and I'll see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video.